for joining us. I'm Raymond O'Neill for BNN, bringing you the latest news on the creation of the universe. As most of our viewers will know, God has been creating new and astounding things every day since the first day. Today, he announced what has been called the most incredible creation yet. God has filled the water with all kinds of life. Our footage is limited at the moment, but we have a team of scuba divers working on capturing more of these amazing creatures on tape. Tad Schultz joins us live from one of the many locations where aquatic life has appeared.
Thank you, Ray. Now, it may be kind of hard to tell, but beneath this surface, the water is teeming with all kinds of strange creatures. Let me see if I can show you. There we are. Now, this is just one example of the very strange creatures that are... Okay, it looks like God also created the birds of the air. Well, back to you. Ray?
Well, thanks, Tad. Looks like new creatures are dropping out of nowhere. Remember, folks, you heard it first on BNN. This is Raymond O'Neill signing off. I know, right? So, I don't have anything to say here. So I'm just gonna mouth words and make it look like I'm talking off screen while we fade out. Okay?